It's Scott here for Rebellious Noise, and today we're at Erdinger Oktoberfest here in London.
Hey, I'm Jamie. Welcome to Erdinger Oktoberfest.
This is Rory here for Rebellious Noise at Erdinger's Oktoberfest.
Welcome to the Erdinger Oktoberfest in London. I'm Patrick Smart, Rebellious Noise.
So boys, are you enjoying Oktoberfest so far?
Way!
Is that yeah?
Yeah. Cheers!
Wait, love it, beer. Woo.
Right, we just got here.
Oh, it's a bit late.
This is your first beer.
We've been here for a couple of hours.
Yeah, I can tell you've been here.
It's a great crack, like the beer's lovely.
Enjoying it so far. There is sausage, buns, and beer.
Girls in dinner!
We actually want to go to the beer set.
We're gonna go to the beer. It's crazy.
Have you had any drink here?
4 pints of beer, of wheat beer.
Good stuff.
That's good, yeah, I know. Yeah.
Weissbier.
Yeah. I love wheat beer. I cannot find it that good in a pub here, so now I'm just like freaking out. Like, oh.
You had a lot of beer so far?
We've had these hold 2 pints.
2 pinters.
So
Early days.
It's early days. Yeah.
I just landed. All right, cool.
I noticed you're drinking wine.
Yeah.
How is the wine? I mean, that's not really it's not really a beer fest, is it?
No, but it's not really a beer's not Francesca thing.
It's not a Francesca thing. Oh, okay. Okay. So what, you got a whole pint?
A whole pint.
How's that? Yeah? Going down well? And you feel a bit full, Annie?
Nice, it's full with the couples.
Okay, cool. What about you? You going straight for the beer? How's the beer?
This is my second one. Someone stole it a minute ago.
Who stole your beer?
Don't know.
Someone stole your beer?
If you let me know, that'd be great.
How much was left?
A lot. Literally, I had one of these ones. Yeah.
You guys have come together, yet why are you dressed so differently?
The rest of the
Yeah, wait. I didn't even notice that.
I'm not actually the only person. The people with.
Oh, there's more of you?
Yeah.
Come dressed for the occasion.
I've come just in, I mean, I didn't get a memo, but...
Did you not?
Well, you know, this is Rebellious Noise, straight out of Marsh pit. Some Croc life here. So what about you guys, though? You're looking fancy. Where'd you get all this stuff?
Well, we've got Martin here. That's
Oh, yeah?
I've learned my lesson, so I've come prepared actually.
Oh, what, last time you were standing out? Like me?
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
Slightly, yeah.
Martin's sporting the autumn look.
I've been drunk all week. I had no time to buy one.
A lot of wine. A lot of wine.
Especially this morning.
Especially?
Yeah.
Where did you buy that? Where in London can you get that?
Crawley, actually.
Crawley?
Do you know Crawley?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a long way to come.
Literally, it
That's
was
a long way to
I
come.
don't know. It's literally a little shop on its own.
Do you live near there? Is that? Oh, so you come. Okay, you didn't go out to Crawley, come back, or
that would be
okay.
better.
Yeah, that would be a bit crazy. I mean, I didn't want to say that before I knew.
Starting from the top. Yeah, it's fantastic. He's got waistcoat, £40. £40 waistcoat. He's bought some string from Wilkinson's to make sure his socks stay up as well. So look at him. That's the autumn look.
So whose idea was it to dress up then?
It was a WhatsApp group that ended up pretty much going, right, you're all dressing up, and if you don't,
Some commitment, guys.
then you look stupid. One of our friends over there, literally just behind you, is the one with the suitcase.
What's going on there?
He didn't get the memo. He was actually on the WhatsApp group, but he's got dinner with his girlfriend later on. So unfortunately, he's having to catch a train back to Birmingham.
Well, I hope the dinner's nice. Hope your girlfriend's alright. And you guys don't know you guys, and we've just brought you all in.
Match made in
You're
heaven.
making friends. We're making friends. So what?
Human Tinder.
Blind date.
All right.
We did it.
Would you swipe right or would you swipe left?
Oh.
These girls are lovely looking, so I'd always...
That's swipe left. Just swipe left and instant.
Look at that.
Is that what you're saying?
Someone went to job.
I would swipe right.
Hey, I'm too hot for Tinder anyway.
Cheers to that. Cheers.
Okay.
Too hot for Tinder.
Have you tasted any of the Germanic food?
Yeah, I had a Bratwurst sausage.
Oh,
and it
jolly
was-
good.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Was it good?
Yeah, really good. I recommend it.
We've had a sausage at the bar. He had 2.
How was that?
Nice.
Your friend is so up for it. Look.
Wait.
He's getting well into it, look. We made something happen.
Wait, definitely. They're bonding over vaping. What a thing to bond over.
Magic, yeah?
Don't look while I'm signing it
Fuck off. Jack Club. Signed it as well.
Oh, I got down!
Is that your con? Is that your con? Is that your con?
Why did you pick Oktoberfest? On
Today.
Saturday.
It was your idea. You said, should we do this? Because it's 15 minutes from your house.
Bit easy, isn't it?
There's got to be a better excuse than that.
Yeah, I mean, we all
Easy was
Everyone loves a stein, so yeah.
Something different.
Well, I love Oktoberfest.
We normally lose Martin on a night out, so
Alright, so getting ready.
it's closest to his home.
Okay, have you got
So we
Find
went-
My iPhone or anything like that, yeah? Got him on that tracker, yeah?
I'm actually on, I've definitely got that on the
Alright, that's good, that's good. We're going to be alright then.
My friend told me that they were going. I said, yeah, why not? Let's go and have a
good
drink.
stuff.
Yeah.
I want to talk about that stolen beer again. Okay, so where did you put it?
Actually, I think it might have been one of my mates that stole it.
Oh,
But
oh.
if you want to come over,
Yeah. Where are they?
Oh, it's actually not
Oh,
mine.
he's not your mate. Is
Why
it your mate? Whose mate is he?
It's his birthday.
He's not your mate if he steals your beer. Yeah, I'm on her side. Francesca.
Birthday, that's why we're here. Like,
Which friend?
Dave.
Birthday, Dave. Of course, it's your birthday. Cool. Did he steal the beer?
No, it's his mate.
What's his mate's name?
I don't actually know.
Bread or pretzel or
Pretzel. Pretzel. You're wanted.
So if Pretzel showed up on Tinder, would you swipe left or right? Oh,
Left.
Pretzel's nice.
Leave me on to
You need that beer.
I know.
What if your beer swiped up on Tinder? What would you do?
Right.
Right. You need that beer back. Tell me about it.